Who built aircraft carriers made of ice? During World War II, the industry lacked sufficient metals, so scientists sought alternatives everywhere. Initially, the British had a brilliant idea to replace floating air bases with icebergs. Fortunately, the discussion did not progress further as icy masses are unreliable. They easily break up and collapse without any warning or apparent reason. Then, the English geniuses came up with another bold proposal to construct aircraft carriers out of ice. The building material for these carriers was frozen water mixed with sawdust. In 1942, Project Habakkuk was born. They began constructing an aircraft carrier that was 610 meters long, 65 meters high, with a displacement of around a ton. It was designed to carry 32 guns and accommodate at least 3,590 personnel. The ice-made aircraft carrier was built in Canada. As a result, a small prototype was constructed. The ship was 18 meters long and 9 meters wide. Its displacement was slightly over 1,000 tons. However, the most crucial aspect, aside from the sawdust and ice mixture, was the significant amount of wood and metal required for its construction. The hull was covered with metal to prevent the ice from melting. Additionally, the entire aircraft carrier was cooled by an extensive pipeline system. The aircraft carrier was tested near Patricia Island. It was found to float normally and not melt. However, as spring arrived, the material began to drift. It became evident that to keep the aircraft carrier afloat for an extended period, more metal was needed. If so much metal was required, it would be easier to build a conventional regular aircraft carrier. But the stubborn Englishman did not give up on the idea. The ice-made aircraft carrier was sent back for further development. Money was poured into the project, yet the results remained unchanged. Something new always needed to be thought of each time. By the end of 1943, the idea was abandoned, and the prototype was left where it was assembled, at the bottom of one of Canada's lakes. It is said that it took the sun 3 years to melt the British aircraft carrier made of ice, sawdust, and iron. You will find even more fascinating stories on our channel.